Opening scene, a sleek cinematic shot of the 2025 Austin Healey cruising along a scenic mountain road. Narrator, classic British motoring is back, and it's better than ever. Say hello to the all-new 2025 Austin Healey, a modern revival of an automotive legend. With its retro charm blended with cutting-edge technology, this car is here to make a statement. Welcome back to Auto Car Reviewer. Let's dive into everything that makes this car special. Scene transition, close-up shots of the car's sleek, curvy body, highlighting its design elements. One look at the 2025 Austin Healey, and you can tell this car pays homage to its roots. Inspired by the classic Healeys of the 1950s and 60s, it brings back the long hood, short rear deck, and those iconic round headlights. But it's not just about nostalgia. This modern version is built with lightweight materials, an aerodynamic profile, and a bold front grille that combines vintage aesthetics with contemporary aggression. It's the perfect blend of old school cool and modern performance. Engine reverent scene, close-up of the engine bay, with a rev sound effect. Under the hood, Austin Healey didn't hold back. Instead of an outdated inline 4 or 6 cylinder, this beast is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6, producing an impressive 400 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual for the purists. So this car is built for those who love to drive. The lightweight chassis and near-perfect weight distribution ensure that every corner feels sharp and precise, making it a true driver's car. Driving footage, Austin Healey accelerating on an open road, with smooth camera tracking. But power isn't everything. Air handling is where the 2025 Austin Healey truly shines. With an advanced suspension setup, adaptive dampers, and a low center of gravity, this car sticks to the road like a proper sports car should. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through twisty back roads, the balance between comfort and performance is spot on. And thanks to modern traction control and stability assist, even less experienced drivers can feel confident behind the wheel. Interior shot, close-up of the luxurious yet minimalist interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends classic charm with modern luxury. The leather-wrapped dashboard, wood-trimmed steering wheel, and vintage-style dials transport you back in time, while the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and premium sound system remind you that this is still a 2025 model. The seats, sporty yet comfortable, making long drives feel effortless. And despite its compact size, the cabin feels spacious and well-appointed. Technology breakdown, close-ups of the infotainment system, gauge cluster, and connectivity features. Even though it's a classic at heart, the new Healey is packed with technology. A touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a heads-up display, wireless charging, and even adaptive cruise controller. This car proves that old-school styling doesn't mean old-school tech. Safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and autonomous emergency braking ensure that you're protected while enjoying the drive. Exhaust note and acceleration clip. Car launches from a standstill, showcasing its speed. Performance is more than just numbers, so it's about emotion. And the 2025 Austin Healey delivers. The exhaust note has a deep, throaty growl, adding to the thrill every time you hit the throttle. With a 0-60 time of just 4.5 seconds, this isn't just a cruiser, it's a proper performance machine. The 6-speed manual option makes it even more engaging, letting you feel connected to the car in a way that modern automatics just can't replicate. Comparisons and market position. Split-screen comparisons with competitors like the Mazda MX-5, Toyota GR86, and Alpine A110. So, how does it compare to its rivals? The Austin Healey is positioned as a premium lightweight sports car, taking on models like the Mazda MX-5, Toyota GR86, and even the Alpine A110. But unlike those, it brings a unique combination of heritage, luxury, and raw performance. While the MX-5 is playful and the GR86 is sharp, the Healey offers something different to a retro-modern experience with a dose of exclusivity. Final thoughts: car drives off into the sunset. Slow motion footage. The 2025 Austin Healey is more than just a car, it's a statement. It proves that classic design and modern engineering can coexist beautifully. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates fine automobiles, this is a car that delivers on all fronts. It's stylish, powerful, and an absolute joy to drive. Outrow scene, aerial shot of the car parked, with the Auto Car Reviewer logo appearing on the screen. That wraps up our in-depth look at the all-new Austin Healey. What do you think? Is this the ultimate modern classic? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Car Reviewer for more exciting content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars. End scene. And the Auto Car Reviewer logo remains on screen.